In a box and whisker plot, 75% of the data is in between which two measures? So in a box and whisker plot, the entire box is 50% of the data, 25% of the data lies on either side of the median. Each whisker then represents the other 50%, 25% for each whisker. So if we're looking 75% of the data, we can now test out which two measures it would be between. So let's first think about the minimum and the median. So the minimum is going to be here on our graph. And the median is going to be here. So in between that minimum and median, it looks like we only have 50%, not 75%. So choice A is not our answer. Now let's look at the minimum and the maximum. The minimum is here, and the maximum is here. Well, that's the entire box and whisker plot. That's 100% of the data. So that's not 75%, so our answer is not choice B. Now let's look at the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So the lower quartile is here, and the upper quartile is here. In between, we just have 25% and 25% in the box, so that's only 50%. So our answer is not choice C. Finally, let's look at choice D. We're comparing what's in between the minimum and the upper quartile. So here's the minimum, and here's the upper quartile. And as you can see, in between those two measures, we have 25% plus 25% plus 25%. We have our 75%. So in a box and whisker plot, 75% of the data is in between D, the minimum, and the upper quartile.